What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage, and today I'm going to make a quick little video talking about the gold pan I have in front of me. This is a Garrett gold pan, and what I did is I just received it the other day, and I broke in half of the pan, kind of seasoned it up, broke it in and kind of got rid of the oils and smooth surface that was left behind during the manufacturing process. So I think it's just kind of cool. I guess to me, what I got going on here is this is a way you could really see the difference between a brand new pan and a seasoned pan. The difference it has, you can see. And we're gonna go one step further, and I'm gonna actually throw some water in here, and it's kind of cool how it reacts, I guess. So let me get some water here and demonstrate this. All right. Now, it don't look like much. However, if we dump a little bit of that out, or all of it, that's okay. You can kind of see that straight line right there. How the water on the right side, the side that's been seasoned, the water kind of soaks into the plastic versus the left side, it beads up. That's just kind of neat. I don't know. I thought it was neat. What I did was just take me a piece of tape down the middle there, and took some SOS pad and some soap and cleaned it in the sink, and then went ahead and got some gravel and the same SOS pad and roughed it up, and then finished it off with an SOS pad with hot water and soap, and then rinsed it really well after that. So I don't know, just a little demonstration there. You can definitely see that line right there. Right side is seasoned, left side is brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the rest of the pan, get it ready for this spring. So I got the 2-inch backpack dredge that I'm looking forward to getting out and using, so that ought to be fun. So this is a gold pan break-in seasoning tips demonstration 101. So thanks for watching. Dalton's Garage signing out. Until next time, happy prospecting, happy treasure hunting, happy everything. Take it easy, y'all. Subscribe, like the video, comment. Would appreciate it. Thanks.